met my ruite. Die dame ken ek mos nie. Hoofkantoor Kimberley, goeiemiddag. Sir? Yes. Sir, did I win? Sir, did I win the 50,000? Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for making my day. Thank you, sir. Must I send my ID? Sir, but you can e-wallet it to my phone number. Thank you. Sir, but I tell you, you can send it to my phone number, to the e-wallet. Reg and weg immediately. Immediately fix, sir. Oh, 50,000. Sir, listening is a skill. Luister my reg en weg. My English dries sometimes up because I'm out of school grade air, but we're moving forward. Sir, you can e-wallet. Why did you press to my ID? Talk amazing. I can't give my goed on the phone because my mother tell me one day that you can't give your privacy on the phone. You can e-wallet, sir. Sir, I tell you can e-wallet. Why did I say do and you coming over my words? Bring the 50,000. Bring it, sir, bring it. Sir, that seems like for me that I see the thing now here is like you liking to scam me but because I just want to. Sir,